If the disease don't kill you, the cure will, right?
Yeah, it took 6 hours to get
That's
it
what
in
they
me.
used to
So,
say.
yeah.
Your time's off. Turn it down, buddy.
So I'm doing okay, I guess. It's not too bad, but I've been in better spots.
They say what's causing it?
No, I don't know that. No. Nope, it's an autoimmune deficiency. So the doctor checked me for everything. I'm clean. I don't have nothing.
Well, you got COVID a while back. You think this might be something from the COVID?
I don't know. I'm not sure, but
because I know a lot of people are having have had a lot of problems after they got COVID or even got the shots or anything. And
yeah, well,